Hello Golden Knights. In today's video, we're going to be discussing kind of exercise workout techniques that will help improve your kicks. More notably, your round kicks, roundhouse kicks, and your side kicks. Okay? As you'll notice behind me here, I have a chair. This and some open space is all you need to complete and to practice what I'm about to show you. Okay? A chair, a wall, a bag, something that you can hold on to for balance. I prefer a chair because you can move it wherever you need it. You're not stuck in one spot. Okay? So, when we do these kicks, when we throw a side kick or a round kick, we are often using our hip muscles and our hips, our legs, and our butts. Alright? Our glutes. So, a good starting point for this, position your plant foot like you're throwing a kick so it's chambered, and you want to just straight leg, lift, set, lift, set. Do this 10 times with each leg. I would say twice with each leg, a couple days a week, right? Do your best to keep your body upright. This chair is here to help you keep your balance, help you keep your body upright. Okay? Best part about the chair is you can either switch to the other side or sit right here. Do the same thing. Okay? Nice and slow. Get it up there. Hold it for a second. Put it back down. Up. Hold. Down. Up. Hold. Down. You want to do that 10 times each leg. Twice with each leg, so that's technically 20 times with each leg, sets of 10. Up to 2 to 3 times a week, outside of your normal martial arts training. Okay? The other thing the chair is good for is you can throw multiple kicks. Work on out and back with your kicks without worrying about your balance. So you use it to support yourself, you get a good solid chamber. My foot is turned for a side kick. Out, back, out, back, out, back, out, back. Generally you want to do 10 and then hold it out for 15 to 30 seconds. Alright? Once you hold it for 15 to 30 seconds, bring it back, set it down, switch legs. Do the same thing. Out, back, out, back, out, back. Hold it for 15 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds, depending on how adventurous you're feeling. Bring it back, set it down. Alrighty? With round kicks, you can even vary up, if you can do it with side kicks too, but it's easier to vary up your speed with round kicks. So in class, you'll often see me go, we'll do round kicks, we'll go 5 quick and 5 slow. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll do 5 slow. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll hold it. Okay? This chair is your best friend. Use it for balance. Use it for helping you create and maintain that leg muscles, those leg strength. Okay? You can use it side kicks, round kicks, hook kicks. You can also use it if you position it in front of you. You can bend back farther. Try to get higher. Yes, your body's not upright like it needs to be, but you're working on your leg flexibility. Okay? Up, out, up, out. So today's class, or today's lesson again, chairs. Use them. They're all throughout your house, hopefully. You can use a wall if you need to, but a chair is probably your best friend for doing these kick stretches. Feet together, fist to front. Bow, show respect.